What if your next paycheck was missing hundreds of dollars with zero warning, or your entire tax refund just disappeared? That's not a glitch, it's the government. If you're in student loan default, your money is on the line. But don't panic, there's still time to take action. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll show you exactly what's happening, how to protect your money, and what steps you can take to get out of default for good. Starting May 2025, the government has started collecting from people who are in student loan default. And this isn't like regular debt collection. You won't just get annoying phone calls or letters. The government can skip all that and go straight to taking your money. That means they can take your tax refunds and they don't even need to ask. Over 9 million people are at risk. It's like a volcano waking up after 5 quiet years. If you're in default, you'll get a notice in the mail. After that, you'll have 65 days to act before they start taking your refund. And if you miss that window, your money is gone. Imagine you were counting on a $3,000 refund to fix your car, but it never came. It was taken by the government without warning, and you only found out when it didn't show up. It gets worse. The government can take money straight from your paycheck too. This is called wage garnishment, and they don't need a judge's approval. Imagine expecting your full paycheck on Friday and it's short by hundreds of dollars. The government can take up to 15% of your income after taxes. Let's say you take home $3,500 a month. You could suddenly lose $525 every month. That's your car payment or even your rent gone in an instant. It can also hurt your credit score badly, making it harder to rent an apartment, get a credit card, or even land some jobs. But don't worry, if you're already in default, you're not stuck forever. You actually have 2 ways out. The first option is rehabilitation. You make 9 affordable payments over 10 months, and in exchange, your default gets removed from your credit report and wage garnishments stop after a few payments. But remember, you can only use this once in your life. The second option is consolidation. This combines your loans into a new one and stops wage garnishment right away. It's faster, you're out of default in about a month. But the flip side is that the default still stays on your credit report. If you can wait, rehabilitation is better for your credit, but if you need fast relief, consolidation works too. Once you're out of default, get on an Income-Driven Repayment or IDR plan. Here, your payments are based on your income. Some people even qualify for $0 payments. But you must recertify your income every year or your payments can suddenly jump up. And here's the best part. As you make on-time payments, your credit score starts to recover, sometimes within just a few months. Remember, doing nothing is not an option. It can cost you thousands. If you stay in default, you could lose hundreds of dollars every month in wage garnishments, lose your yearly tax refunds, and wreck your credit for years. So you must take action now. Step 1. Call the Default Resolution Group at 1-800-621-3115. They'll walk you through rehab or consolidation for free. Don't pay anyone for help. If someone asks for your money, it's probably a scam. Also, go to studentaid.gov and make sure your contact info is up to date. If they're sending emails to an old address, you'll miss important deadlines. You're not alone. Millions are in the same spot, but only some take action. All it takes is one small step today to protect your future. Stopping the government from taking your money is a great start, but to achieve true financial success, you must also stop your bank from ripping you off. Watch the video on your screen.